All right, I'm going to show you how to easily find any app on your iPad. Of course, on the home screen, you can manually swipe and look for apps. But if there's something you're having trouble finding, the easiest way is to use search. Swipe down from the middle of the display, and that activates search. Type in a couple of the first letters of the app you're looking for, and it'll show up right there. Another easy way is to check the app library. On the home screen, swipe side to side through the different pages, and if you go all the way to the right, you'll land in App Library, where your apps are organized into categories. You can tap into these different groups, launch apps directly from here, or if you swipe down or tap the search bar up top, you'll get an alphabetical list of all your apps. You can scroll through it, use the little letter shortcuts on the right side, or use search from there too. This is another really easy way to find exactly what you're looking for. Another thing worth checking, hidden pages on your home screen. When you swipe between pages, those little dots indicate how many pages you have on your home screen, right? But if you tap and hold an empty space on your home screen, you'll see the icons start wiggling. Then you can tap those dots at the bottom and you'll get a list of all your home screen pages. And the pages actually have little check marks under them. If any of these are unchecked, they won't show up on your home screen at all. So long press an empty space, tap the dots, and make sure all your pages are actually selected. One more thing to check. The hidden folder inside App Library. So first, swipe all the way to the right to get to App Library. Then scroll all the way down and you'll see a category called Hidden. Tap that and your iPad will ask you to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. I'll use Touch ID. And after that, any apps you've hidden would show up here in the hidden group or folder, whatever you want to call that. If you have any apps there and you'd like to add them back to the home screen, you can long press any app in the hidden group and choose Add to Home Screen. That will both unhide the app and add it back to your home screen. And of course, if you've gone through all of this and still can't find what you're looking for, chances are it's just not installed on your tablet. Go to the App Store, tap Search, and look for the app directly. If it's already installed, you'll see a button that says Open, or, like in my case here, Update, since there's a pending update for this one. If the app is not installed at all, you'll see a button that says Get. In that case, go ahead and download it first, and then you'll be able to find it using one of the methods I just showed. And that is how you find any app on your iPad. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, till next time.